Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in my video I'm going to tell you how to start speaking English without partner. Actually all the learner have a question. Even when I started learning English, so that time I had a question how to learn English without partner, because I don't have any partner right now. Okay, so that time I didn't have any partner. Even right now I don't have any partner, but I am learning English because I am very passionate about this language. So that's why I am learning English. So every person, every learner have a question, how to learn English without partner and without environment. So if you are seriously interested to learn this language, so please don't make the excuses like this, because I don't have any environment. So actually when I started learning English, so that times I asked every person, could you help me for improving English? But nobody helped me. It's okay, I can understand very well. Nobody have a more much time to give to other person. So then I agreed, because this time nobody helped me. So then I decided I should have the practice with myself. And then I searched lots of video related to speaking English, how to start speaking English without partner and without environment. So then I started learning my language. So this time I can speak English well, but I'm not that good. Okay, I am trying to be perfect in English. So please, okay. Actually, yes. You can see behind me. Actually, I am making the video as well. I am learning English with you, and I am walking in my field. Okay, you can see. Uh, though these are very orange trees. Okay, so yeah, please forget. So let's jump into the video. Let's come to the point. So yeah, actually when I started learning English, so that times I created any fake story, and then used to speak with myself as well. I created any fake story, and then I used to walk, and then I started speak with myself. And I had the lots of practice. I had lots of practice, because and then I started speaking. But now it's question rise, you know without partner, how can we perfect in English? So then I searched lots of video, and then I saw one application on my YouTube channel, and then I downloaded that application, and then I started. And that's how I started using that application. But that application, I think that application has been good for me. Okay, so that's how I started speaking English. So please don't think about anything, because I don't have any partner and any person. If you have interested, if you have passionate about this language, so you can speak English very well. Okay, but you have to have more much practice. So after that you can speak English well. Actually now sometimes I make the lots of excuses, because I don't have any partner. I can't speak English. I can't speak English in front of other peoples. I am not good at speaking English. Other peoples are very well than me. So I think this is a your excuse. Okay, don't think, don't make the excuses. Only express yourself in English. Put the effort for speaking English, so definitely you will be improved. But believe on yourself as well. Have the practice, have the hard work in your life, in your speaking English, so then definitely you will be perfect. And you know yes. And another thing, watch English video. Watch English video. When you watch more much English video, and then your communication skill will be increased. As a You can learn like a child, as a, like, observes every person who around the child. So child observes very carefully to every person, so you can learn like child. Okay. And yes, I would like to tell you, when you start speak English with other person, only try to speak as a long conversation. Okay, long conversation, so that times any words, any sentence comes in your mind, so directly speak. Okay, directly speak. Okay, don't think any mistake, because this times I am making the mistake and another people make the fun about me. Don't think. Okay, this times I am making lots of mistake, I know, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, go ahead for improving English, so definitely you will be improved. Actually, yeah, because this times when I speak in front of other people, so that times I don't think about anything apart from speaking English. So that time any words comes in my mind and then I speak. So I think this is a good way for improving English, and I am feeling like this times I am getting improved. And definitely, I am taking some session, I am taking having the conversation different peoples, along with audio call and video call. So definitely you can do like this. So don't. Okay, don't shy, don't hesitation, please go ahead in your journey. So definitely you will be improved, because when I started learning English, so that time I couldn't speak English single words, but this times I can speak English well, but I am not that good. Okay, I'm not that good, because I am trying to be better, but I can manage while speaking English. So definitely you can do. Okay. And yeah, that's it. But this times I wanna show you my background. Okay, so please enjoy my background, so you can see. Okay, you can see. Yes. So yes, you know these are lots of orange trees. And you know very well I am belong to Himachal Pradesh, and you can see all thing as a field. Yes, you can see. Oh yes, oh yes, yes. So in the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye and Om Namah Shivaya.